Okay, friends. So today we are going to discuss on a very interesting subject, that is Heikin-Ashi Japanese candle chart pattern technicals. Basically, it is a Japanese candle. Interesting information. Okay, and the strategies linked with Heikin-Ashi will be updated or uploaded in my next video because I need to work on the strategies, merging it with the moving averages and something like that. Then we'll try to work it out online as well. Yep. So let's look into the first slide. Okay, so this is a short video on Akinashi. Let's look into it. Hope you like it. Oh, okay, friends. So this was our discussion on the candles. Yeah, this is the Akinashi candles which are normally working. Yeah, this shows the trend. This is the downtrend. This is the uptrend. Green ones. This is the downtrend. This is the uptrend. This is the downtrend, and this is the uptrend. Yeah. This again red is downtrend, uptrend, red is down, green. Okay. Now the important thing is does it could not break this trend line since so many candles. You see this, so many candles have not been able to break this trend line. After it has broken this trend line, look at the way it has moved out and look at the volume. This candle has been superb. Yeah. Look at this candle. So it is moving such a nice way after breaking this trend line, and if you see now it is rocking. You cannot have such trades. Yeah, so these kind of trades are happening. See, this is a clear breakout. Yeah, after breaking out this trend line, okay, volumes have been superb on this particular candle, so it can move higher. There's no doubt in that, and we recommended to buy at this candle. So this was the candle which we asked them to buy, and look at the move after that candle. It has been phenomenal. Yeah. So this kind of moves happen, and the basic purpose of this video is just to show you the performance of Hakinashi candle. You see these red ones, it shows the direction. Now it is range bound. Yep. Then again it breaks down. Again it breaks down. These are all red ones. Yep. These are all green ones are going up. Yeah. Now a green one is going up. So this is a trend which it is showing. It gave a breakout with beautiful volumes. We are not sure whether it can sustain or not. But this is a day trader's job. Normally, those who are trading always on the platform, they normally monitor this 5-minute candle, 10 minutes candle, 15 minutes candle, or an hourly candle, and then they execute their trade. But this is not my cup of pie. Normally, I basically do trades only in delivery based trading. I don't prefer to do intraday trades, but this is just to explain how Hakinashi candle works, how it shows the trend. And if you see here, after this peak in volume and peak in prices, there is a drop. There is a doji formation, which clearly states that there is a change in trend. So trend can change anytime soon now, and if the trend changes, then you need to book your profits. I mean, for the intraday trader, normally I told you that I don't do this kind of intraday trades. See here, this was the change in trend. The second candle which formed, it broke out down, but then there is a support over there. So it may take support or it may break down. If it breaks down this support, it comes here. If it breaks here, it comes here. Okay, so from all the supports, it can bounce back. But this is quite difficult to do trading on a day-to-day basis or on an intraday basis. Those who have time, those who can afford time, and those who can take that pressure can obviously do these kind of trades. So Hakinashi is not only for like intraday traders, but you get a direction of the trend. Like whenever doji forms, or even on daily charts, you can follow it. And whenever a doji forms, that means that there is a definitely a change in trend, which will help you to take your position. And if you want to buy that particular script or indices, you can take a call on that. See, the only two candles formed red. Now again a green one has formed. So this clearly states that it does not want to go down. The trend is up. It wants to go higher. Okay. There is selling pressure. Volumes are less. Okay. So I don't know how it is going to pan out. But then I feel it is going way much higher from these levels. And that is the reason we gave a buy at this candle. Already written buy at this candle. And then it has moved quite higher. It can come down the same way as well. So that is the reason we normally have to keep stop losses based on our risk appetite. Okay, you see this fall now, it has broken the support direct here. It took a support at around here. Yeah. Okay, volumes are not there, but it can rise. Volume can rise anytime soon. Okay, friends. So this was my basic purpose, just to make you understand on how Hakanashi candle works. Okay, friends. Thank you. Hope you like this video. Oh, okay. So this was the short video on Hakanashi. Hope you liked it, guys. It was live trade actually, which was done on Apple. Yeah, on the Nasdaq. These are the charts of Apple on Nasdaq. So we tried to give a live example on how Hakanashi candle works, the Japanese candle work. Yeah. This is the basic properties or basic information on Hakanashi Japanese candle. It's sometimes spelled as Hakanashi, means average bar in Japanese. Hakanashi technique can be used in conjunction with candlestick chart when trading securities to spot market trends and predict future prices. Okay, you need to spot the market trends and predict the future price. It is useful for making candle charts more readable and easier to analyze. For example, traders can use Hakanashi charts to know when to stay in trades and when a trend persists, but get out when the trend pauses or reverses. That is the doji which we are talking about. Most profits are generated when markets are trending, so predicting trends correctly is necessary. This is very important. Hakinashi technique average price data to create a Japanese candle chart that filters out noise, market noise. Okay, Hakinashi charts were developed by Munehashi Homa in 1700s. Okay, share some characteristics with candlestick charts, but differ based on values used to create each candle. Instead of using the open, high, low, and close like standard candlestick chart, the Akanashi technique uses a modified formula based on 2 period averages. This gives the chart a smoother appearance, making it easier to spot trends and reversal, but also obscures gaps and some price data. So Hakanashi is a candlestick pattern technique that aims to reduce some of the market noises, creating a chart that highlights trend direction better than the typical candle chart. Okay, it is better than the normally it is better than considered better than the typical candle chart. The downside of Fibonacci is some data price data is lost during with averaging, which could affect risk. There are some problems. The way it is formalizing, the formula is quite different. So let's look into it. The long down candles with little upper shadow means it is totally dark, which little bit of shadow represents strong selling pressure, while long up candles with small or lower shadow signals strong buying pressure. So this is a special characteristics of the Heikinai candle. The formula states that a series of open, high, low, and close candles set apart by a time series. Technique shares some characteristics with standard candlestick chart, but used a modified formula of close, open, high, low. Okay, close is equal to 1 by 4, open plus high plus low plus close. So this is how the formula is calculated, the average price of the current bar. Okay, open is equal to 1 by 2 open of previous bar plus close of previous bar. The midpoint of the previous bar is the next candle opening. The high is the maximum level, which either it opens higher or it reaches high or it closes high. So high is the maximum value, low is the minimum value, low, open, close. Okay, so which is the minimum value that is considered this formula. Okay, friends, so hope you like this video on Hakanashi and try to do a practical session on it and expertise on it so that you can take advantage of this Japanese technique, candle technique. Disclaimer, this is for educational purpose, not a stock recommendation. Always do the due diligence before investing. Okay, I'm merely sharing my opinion with no gains, no guarantee of gains or losses. I'm not a SEBI registered advisor or analyst. Okay, friends, hope you like with this video. My intention was just to make you aware of the Heikin-Ashi candle and take advantage of it. And doji forms an important part whenever you are trading with Heikin-Ashi. Okay, friends, hope you like this video. Thank you.